Good morning, friends, and happy Vlogmas Day 6. We're gonna go ahead and get started with painting. It's about 7 a.m. already. Destiny just left. She took me Nana to work because I guess she's going to Knoxbury Farm. Kind of cool. But she dropped her off so she doesn't have to leave her car there. And yeah, we're gonna get to work. I'm up pretty early. I went to bed really late, but for a very good reason. The video for today, Vlogmas Day 5, is up and live. Go watch it. Obviously by the time you see this, it's already up, but it's up and it makes me feel so good that, I mean, I went to bed really late, like at 12? No, I finished at like 12 or 1, but then I stayed up because I started organizing all my photos. Bad idea, bad choice of timing, but it's okay. Anyways, enough chit chat. Let's get to painting. Good morning. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit and let that dry, and I'm gonna need a coffee. It's so early, and again, I went to bed really late, so let's go wash this paint off my hand. It's not that much, but it does happen. And Destiny's working on the bench. She's getting it done today. I think I'm gonna paint that as well, possibly. I'm pretty sure we're painting that. And yeah, let's make some coffee. Where the heck is she? Serious game changer is this. I don't even know what it's called. This is a Bativa. I'm pretty sure my sister bought it from Amazon, but she bought this to paint her room. If you're doing a van or just trying to do a good paint job, this is game changer. I love the way it comes out, even better than the roller. The roller still comes out really good, and I would say roller over this if you can't get this. But all right, let's get back to work because yeah, we got a lot to do. Lots of painting to do, so let's do it. Alright, we just ran out of paint, so Destiny just went to the store to get some more paint. I think she went to get something else. I think just paint, because that's all we need to do. Don't mind me, I look a hot mess, but we're back in the van and we have to show you some updates. So exciting. Okay, Update number 1. Ah! It's done. Guys, obsessed. The water's right here, but woo! Okay, I know this is silly and like everyone has, not everyone, but most people have one. And this is something we wanted the whole time. All we're missing, it dried off. Also, Destiny added this like cute little piece. Most of the time Destiny's cutting, I'm painting, or we do a little mix of both, but realistically she's cutting. So we're gonna have it close up to here. So what was wrong with the other one is that, see, it was, when it was fully closed, it wasn't. So we're gonna put it here and then put a handle so we can easily move it. Maybe even here. No, probably in the corner. And possibly add a mirror, which we're really excited about. But I'm gonna go inside and shower, chat with Destiny, and see what's next. This is us from the future, and we just want to say goodnight because we did not end the video at all.
I went to sleep.
We did not.
I went to sleep before you.
Babe, from when we ended cleaning up, we went to go pick up my Nana, and then we got some food. We got Farmer Boys. The camera was dead, so we left it. And then we came and ate. We had some delicious fried zucchini. Then we came back. My mom came over, and we all had a beer and hung out and chatted. And then we went to bed. But we were just hanging out with family time and called it an early night kind of ish.
10:30, right?
That's I meant early. Like at least out there.
Oh, we closed shop like at 7.
Yeah, it was just too dark.
7.
It was just too ridiculous. We couldn't see.
And we had to pick up her Nana.
Yeah. Anyways, see you today in the same outfit, but tomorrow. Yeah, bye.